Okay. Here's another problem that I'm going to solve about first order differential equation. Okay. Using separation of variables na method. Obtain the general solution. Quantity xy plus x dx equals quantity x squared y squared plus x squared plus y squared plus 1 dy. So, the first step is i-group, no? Ang right side i-group. Sa left side, i-factor out ang x. So, you have x times y plus 1 dx. Sa right side, i-group ang first two terms, x squared plus y squared plus x squared, and then ang last two terms, y squared plus 1. Now, for this group, we can factor out x squared. So, we have this one. So, x squared and y squared plus 1. And the next step, common factor is y squared plus 1. So, i-factor out ang y squared plus 1. Ang bilin is x squared plus 1. So, para ma-separate ang variables, okay, ang y plus 1 matransfer sa right side, ang x squared plus 1 matransfer sa left side. So, we can divide the whole equation by y plus 1 and x squared plus 1. Okay. So, sa left side, x times y plus 1 dx over this, makancel ang y plus 1. And sa right side, numerator divided by this one, makancel ang x squared plus 1. So, ang result is this. Okay. X over x squared plus 1 dx equals, sa right side, makancel ang x squared plus 1, y squared plus 1 over y plus 1. Okay. And again, mas dako ang power sa numerator over the denominator. So, i-divide na to manually para similar ani na ang power sa numerator less than the denominator, no? 1 against 2. Okay, so y squared plus 1 divided by y plus 1. Okay, let's divide manually. Okay, so y squared divided by y, it's y. And multiply y times y squared plus y. Subtract. Okay, so makancel ni negative. So negative y, and then carry plus 1. So negative y and then plus 1. Next, negative y over y, it's negative 1. So negative 1 times y, negative 1 times y, negative 1. And subtract, makancel ni 1 minus negative 1 becomes 2. So therefore, the expression y squared plus 1 all over y plus 1 is equivalent to y minus 1 plus 2 over y plus 1. Okay, this one. Okay, so next we can integrate. No? This one. Okay. Sa left side, pwede tayo mag-let u. No? Let u equal to x squared plus 1 and du is 2x. So sa numerator, natay x dx. So to get x dx, i-divide na to ang 2. Okay. So para ma-replace, x dx will be replaced by du over 2. And then x squared plus 1 replaced sa u. Okay. Kene, no? du over 2u equals y minus 1 plus 2 over y plus 1 dy. Pwede na mag-integrate, no? So, distribute na itong dy. And the last term is ln, dy over y plus 1. It's ln of y plus 1. We have this. So 1/2 ln of u, our u is x squared plus 1. So 1/2 ln of x squared plus 1, and then y squared over 2 minus y plus 2 dy over y plus 1 is ln of y plus 1. And then plus c. Okay. Okay. Next is i-multiply na to ang whole equation by 2. So makancel ng 1/2 times 2 makancel times 2 you have negative 2y times 2 for 2c. And again, since arbitrary eh, pwede na to i-pattern dire. Oh, na 4 ln c, pwede ra. Para ma-combine ra 4 and ln. The result is this. ln of x squared plus 1 equals y squared minus 2y. O, ang 2c dire, ma-replace siya og 4 ln c. 4 lang, and then using the property of logarithm na ln xy is equal to ln x plus ln y. So ln of y plus 1 plus ln c is equivalent to this, ln of c times y plus 1. Okay, so this is the general solution of the first order differential equation. So I hope this will help sa students enrolled in DE. So thank you again for watching.